In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your keyboard here to your Nintendo Switch 2. So you can see it actually is writing right here, so it completely does work. So basically, if you want to be able to connect your keyboard here to your Nintendo Switch 2, you need to make sure that it actually has this USB right here, and it needs to go into the side here of your docking station. So you need to make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 here is docked into your docking station, and that it is also connected to your TV. That helps a lot, obviously. So to be able to connect it to your TV, I'm going to show you. There you need two things. So this first thing right here is the power adapter, which I have right there. So it's the, let me actually show you, it's better, I guess. So this is the power adapter that you should have gotten when you got Nintendo Switch 2. And it's connected here. And sorry guys, let me just show you. So it's the first one right here. The first one here, and the second one, you can see that's the HDMI cable that needs to go to your sorry, let me show you here, to your TV here, of course. So it's right here, and now I'm able to actually get my Nintendo Switch 2 on my TV. And after that, like I said before, grab your keyboard that has a USB here, connect it, and then you should be able to connect it to your Nintendo Switch 2. So that is basically exactly how to do this.